I remember something that my papa said when I was very young. My papa was my idol. The most perfect man that ever lived. And I'll still face the whole world and say I had a papa who was the most perfect man that ever lived. He was my idol. He was my love. If ever a girl worshipped her father, I worshiped my papa. I believed every word that he said. Papa couldn't be wrong. He couldn't. And I remember one day that Papa came and he said, baby. He called me baby and carried me when I was so tall. My legs dragged on the pavement. He was still lugging me. He said, baby, you know, you can have anything in the world that you want. I don't care what it is. You can have anything as long as you have these two good hands. Anything. Anything in the world that you want. You can be anything you want to be if you want it enough. I believed every word that Papa said. He said it. Papa couldn't lie. These hands, if I worked hard enough, I could get anything that I wanted. Papa worked hard. Papa wanted money. There was a day when Joe Kuhlman was considered the richest man in Lafayette County. Ask anyone from Lafayette County. Go to my little hometown, Concordia, Missouri. Ask anyone about Joe Kuhlman. I'm not a celebrity in Concordia, Missouri, but my father was a man who is the man they remember as one day being the richest man in Lafayette County. And he had told me, baby, you can have anything. Anything. If you work hard enough with these hands. But Papa died. Without a copper cent. He had lost it all before he died. I have something I wouldn't part with for anything in the world. It's a dollar bill. It's a crisp dollar bill. I have it in a Bible. It's something very sacred to me. Something very sacred. I seldom take it out and look at it, but there are times when I've taken it out and looked at it. That was the inheritance that I received when Papa's estate was settled. The man who was once considered the richest man in Lafayette County, in Missouri, who said, baby, you can have anything if you work hard enough. And Papa worked. Papa worked morning, noon, and night. He worked. But when he died, he had lost it all, and the only inheritance that he left to the one that he loved more than life itself, his daughter. A man who one day would have given me his fortune. A man who would have given me anything. And my inheritance was $1. I've seen people who have reached the very height of fame. It was their desire, it was their purpose, it was their longing, it was everything. Oh, fame! But they forgot how fickle people really are. People are so fickle. Human nature is so fickle. When they thought that Jesus was going to set up an earthly kingdom, they followed him. They wanted to be a part of that earthly kingdom. They wanted a great position. These opportunists that hang on and you'll find them everywhere. And yet the same people, a very short time later, was standing at the foot of that cross, spitting upon him, ridiculing him, jeering him. Young people, you have much to learn. You have so much to learn. I would give anything in the world this morning if I could just give you a little of some of the things that I've gone through to help you, that you won't have to go through some of these things. One thing, learn and learn it well. The fickleness of human nature. They'll love you one day. They'll kiss your hand one day. And they'll spit on you the next. There's only one upon whose love you can really rely, and that's his love.